Today I'm going to be checking out this shop chair that I was sent so I can do the review. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. So this is the shop chair out of the box. There is some assembly that's going to be required. This is the main housing portion. There's a cup holder here. You got the manual with the hardware and tools you need to put this together. This is the lift that's going on the seat. Here are the casters that go on the bottom. This part mounts to the seat to work this little cylinder here for the lift. And then this is the seat. Does look pretty comfortable. It's padded. Let's try it out. And here it is all put together. Really nice padded seat. It's got cup holders that you can move on any side. They snap in right here on the edge, so you can move them anywhere you want to on whatever side you want. You've got a grate right there where you can lay stuff on the top level. And then you've got a tray there on the bottom that are over the casters. Really nice big casters that are nice and smooth. I mean, a really cool stool. This keeps you from hunching over. You can work on things low or high. Look at this. Wow, that comes up a really long ways. A lot of distance there. I mean, you're at stool height now. I really like it. I definitely think you'll really like it. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.